Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing an image that's the right resolution and format so it looks crisp in-game. Once done, upload it on the Roblox website as a decal. This converts your file into a usable asset. Make sure to name it clearly, then copy the numeric asset ID from the decal's library URL. You'll paste that into Studio. This step is crucial because Studio uses that ID to reference the image rather than the raw file. Now switch to Studio and enable Explorer and Properties so you can edit assets directly. If you want a UI image, insert a screen GUI, then add an image label or image button and paste RB's assetid, / plus your asset ID into the image property. For world objects, insert a decal or texture into the part and set texture ID to the same RB's assetid, / string, then choose face for decals. Make sure to tweak size, position. Finish by testing in play and on different aspect ratios to confirm placement and scale. If the image doesn't appear, check the decal's moderation status on the Roblox site and ensure it's not restricted. Moderated or private assets won't load in Studio for others. Also verify you used RB's assetid, / plus the exact numeric ID. As a final polish, compress large images, prefer PNG for transparency, and adjust scale type or slice center on GUI elements to prevent stretching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.